Hello all. Today we will discuss Exchange 2019 installation. Let's first have a look at Exchange 2019 editions and licenses. There are two Exchange 2019 editions. Standard Edition is limited to 5 mounted databases per server and Enterprise Edition can have up to 100 mounted databases per server. Please note that a mounted database is an active database in use, or a passive database that's mounted in recovery. Recovery database isn't counted towards the limits. Please note that you cannot downgrade from Enterprise to Standard Edition without reinstalling Exchange 2019. Let's discuss licenses now. Server license needs to be assigned to each Exchange 2019 server as Standard Edition or Enterprise Edition. There are two Client Access Licenses or CALs, Standard CAL and Enterprise CAL. You can mix and match server licenses with CAL licenses. Let's move to the Exchange 2019 prerequisites. You can use either of the two methods to install the Windows prerequisites. You can use Install Windows Components switch in Unattended Setup, or you can select the checkbox in the Exchange Setup Wizard to install Windows prerequisites. Then you need to install the followings: .NET Framework 4.7.2 or later. Visual C++ Redistributable Package for Visual Studio 2012. Visual C++ Redistributable Package for Visual Studio 2013. Unified Communications Managed API 4.0. And finally install the Server Media Foundation. Let's now talk about preparing AD and domains. To extend AD schema, you need to have schema admin and enterprise admin rights. The computer needs to be a member of the same domain and site as the schema master. You need to download the Exchange Setup ISO, mount it, and then run setup.exe with the prepare schema switch. Wait until AD replication is done to all DCs. Next step is to prepare AD, for which you need to have enterprise admin rights. The computer needs to be a member of the same domain and site as the schema master. It must be able to contact DCs for all domains in the forest on TCP port 389. Then, you need to run setup.exe with the prepare AD switch. If you have a hybrid deployment with Exchange Online, add the tenant organization config switch as well to the command. Then wait until AD replication is done to all DCs. Let's now see how to prepare AD domains. If you have only one domain, you can skip this step because previously run prepare AD has already prepared the domain for you. All domains where Exchange servers will be installed or where mail-enabled users will be located need to be prepared. If you want, you can prepare all domains in the forest as well. To prepare all domains, you need to have enterprise admin rights. You need to run setup.exe with the prepare all domains switch. To prepare selected domains, you need to have domain admin rights in all of them. You need to run setup.exe with the prepare domain switch. How do we verify the AD preparation? You can review the Exchange setup.log file. You can also use dsquery to verify the Exchange attributes given on the screen. Run dsquery and then compare with the values given on the screen. Once all is set, it's time to run the Exchange setup. First you download the latest Exchange 2019 CU and mount the ISO. Till the time of this video, Exchange 2019 setup can be downloaded from Microsoft Volume Licensing Center only. Then run setup.exe as shown on the screen. Once Exchange is installed, there are a couple of post-installation tasks you should perform. You can use Exchange Management Shell to enter product key by running set-exchange server. Then restart the information store service. To verify Exchange server installation, in EMS run get-exchange server. It is a good idea to review application logs in Event Viewer. Finally, you can review the Exchange setup.log file. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel to get notified on future videos.